Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to interaction control function using our volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our shortcut, we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, and here we have advanced settings options and volume up and down buttons. Here we are looking for interaction control. Right now we have voice access here. We don't want it. We want this function. Yes, please. And let's see if it's working. So volume up and volume down for 3 seconds. Let's say if it's working. Yes, we don't have application for it, but our shortcut is working as you can see from this little pop-up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.